Hello and welcome. Today we're going to create this cool glitch title animation. Create a new composition, 4K resolution, 30 frames per second, and 8 seconds long. Name it text. Type your text here. Click on the animate arrow and select opacity. Set the opacity to 0. In the advanced section, set the randomize order to on. In the range selector, set the start keyframe with a value of 0. Go to the 1-second mark and create a keyframe with a value of 100. At the 7-second mark, create a keyframe with a value of 100. Go to the end of the timeline and create a keyframe with a value of 0. Select all keyframe and press F9 to easy ease them. Create a new composition. Name it displacement map. Create a new shape layer. Select the rectangle tool and create a white shape layer. Name it stripes. Go to Contents, Rectangle Path 1. Set the size width to 300. Add a repeater. Set the copies to 4. In the Transform section, set the position to width to 950 and height to 0. Align the shape layer to the left. Create an adjustment layer. Name it Displace FX. Apply an offset effect. Press Alt and click on the Shift to Center stopwatch icon. Type in this expression. You can find it in the description of this video. Add a turbulent displace effect. Set the amount to 50 and the size to 75. Set the complexity to 2. Press Alt and click on the evolution stopwatch icon. Type in the expression, time times 300. Add a direction blur effect. Set the direction to 90 degrees and the blur length to 350. Create a new composition. Name it Glitch Text. Select the text and displacement map compositions. Drop them inside the composition. Hide the displacement map composition. Select the text composition. Add a compound blur effect. Set the blur layer to displacement map and the maximum blur to 20. Add a camera lens blur effect. Set the blur radius to 20. In the blur map section, set the layer to displacement map. Add a displacement map effect. Set the displacement map layer to displacement map. Set the max horizontal displacement to 250 and the max vertical displacement to 0. Create a new composition. Name it Glitch Text RGB. Drop the glitch text composition inside. Set the mode to add. Add a shift channel effect. Set red, green, and blue to full off. Duplicate the composition 2 times. In the first composition, set red to red. In the second composition, set green to green. In the third composition, set blue to blue. Select the second composition and move it forward by 1 frame. Select the third composition and move it forward by 2 frames. Let's preview the result. Pretty cool. Like if you learned something new, and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a good day. See you in the next one.